Hello everyone, this is Roger from Hitech Circuits in Shenzhen, China. We have specialized in PCB and PCB assembly manufacturing for over 15 years. In my last video, I introduced the blue PCBA. Today, I'd like to show you this beautiful red circular board. This is the two-layer board. The raw material is FR4 Tg135, and its surface treatment is hard-cell lead-free, and its copper thickness is common 1 ounce. Finished thickness is 1.6 millimeters. Red always gives us a strong visual impact. Do you like this board? Besides, red stands for good luck in Chinese. Hope all of us have good luck in the new year 2025. We always provide awesome manufacturing service for our customers with competitive price, good quality, and faster lead time. If you have such board needs, please feel free to contact me. I will try my best to help you. See you soon.